what we are going to learn in this session is how to create a web project with Maven support. And already I have explained you about the folder structure of a typical Maven project. Thank you. So if you want to create a web project with Maven support, what we have to do? Don't know. Don't know. Yep. So please help me. Really, I forget it. How to do it? Who's going to help me? Your answer should be nobody is going to help you. Simple as that. So right click on it. New Usha.
Yes, sir.
You have to go to the other, right? And once you learn by doing manually, I can show you a lot of online tool who can help you in that. Okay. Other, and here you can type Maven. What?
Maven.
Maven. Let me show you once again. Right click on it. New other, and you can type Maven. Clear? And you can choose here Maven project, right? And here you have to be very careful. Here you can select this option. Create a simple project, skip archetype selection. You have to check it, Usha.
Okay.
And next. Here you have to give the group ID. Group ID is just a unique ID we give to the every project. And this group ID is basically used to group multiple project. It is important when we deal with multi-module project. I will teach you later. So what name I should give over here? Group name. Usha. I'm using your name. That's fine. Group ID. Artifact ID is the project name. What name you want to give your project? Spring Cubico. It's okay. And see, for this project, you want to what version you want to give. So you can have a snapshot. I will tell you what is the meaning of it. Usha, snapshot is there. There is a meaning. Snapshot means this project is under the development. Clear? Once your development is done, you can remove it. If you want to make a desktop application, you can choose packaging as a jar. If you want to make a web project, you can use packaging as a word. So you want to make a standalone project, or you want to make a web project? Usha, this question goes to you.
My project.
Web project. Thank you. So here you can choose word, and name and description is optional. You want to just give the name. This is the project name, and if you want to give some logical name on top of it, you can give it. Description means you can give a little bit description to it. Fine. Cubicle batch, I'm just muting you. A lot of disturbance is coming. I'll unmute you, right, when you have to speak. Okay. So who can help me? Rojina, are you there? I want help from you.
Yes.
Rojina, can you? Yeah. Uh, when I call you, just say yes, right? Even though you don't understand, say yes. I understand, sir. To motivate me, okay?
Okay.
But don't say like that. I'm just kidding. Say I don't understand. So far, everything is clear, Rojina, to you. Everything is
Yeah.
clear. Really, or you are saying yes to make me happy?
No, really.
Okay. So click on the finish button. So once you click on the finish button, your project is created with Maven folder structures. I hope everybody can do like this.
Mhm.
Where is my project? Can you see this? Rojina. This is your project. This is clear to you?
Yes.
Now let me close everything. See guys, whatever I am teaching you, if you go in that approach, you will not face any issue in project. Minimal issue I'm saying, right? Uh, you tell me, SRC main Java, all the folder structures are created or not? Please?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, my Maven. Okay, done. See, pom.xml file, open it. What it does, Rojina, in this pom.xml file, what you can add? You can add which jar you want to use. Jar, right? You can download from the internet. So this project I want to use in the Spring. So I have to add what jar? Any guess? Spring jar. Got my point? And this for project I want to use Java 8. What I said?
Java 8.
Java 8. So here you can write Maven Java 8 plugin, or you can use 11. It is up to you. Clear? People, see my style? Hello. If you want to use Java 8, it is up to you. If you want to use Java 11, you can write here 11, no problem. It's clear? After that, you want to use Spring, right? Hello. People reply. If you want to use Spring, you have to add the dependency of Spring. So I'm going to use Spring MVC 5. I'm just telling you that earlier you may be doing all those things without understanding all those things. Clear? So you got my purpose. What I'm supposed to do is, yeah. So I need to make a Spring supported project with Maven. I need to add Spring jar or not? Answer to me. Right?
Yes,
You are
we
not
need that.
replying. Yeah. You go and here just copy dependency and this. Close it, right? Rogina, this is clear to you?
Yes.
I'm using which version of the Spring? 5.
8.
So dependency means no
Oh,
Java 8 I'm using Java 8. That's fine.
sorry.
But in dependency means jar. So which dependency I'm using? Spring one, right? This is the group ID of the
Spring 1.
dependency, artifact ID, and this is the version of the Spring.
Spring.
This is clear? Yeah.
Yeah.
And here, if you don't want to you don't want to use web project feature for time being, right? Because in web project we have deployment descriptor over here. If you don't want to keep it now, so here you can add this entry time being, right? Later will make it true. Hello, can you see this? All the error is gone. Rogina.
Yes.
And when you add the dependency into it, don't forget to right click on it and Maven and update project. People, you always do it whenever you update your pom.xml file and click on force update snapshot. Let me show you again. Right click, Maven update project. Clear?
Project.
Done. And when you do it, it would become Java 8. Please, can you see this? It means you are going to use Java 8. And you want to see the magic of Maven? See, Maven, because of this entry, Rogina, because of this entry, what happened? Maven is able to download the jar from the internet. See this? Oh my God. See, you just mentioned only one entry over here, right? But how many jar it is able to download? Many, because this jar has dependency on other jar as well. Rogina, you got the power of the Maven?
Yeah.
See, next time onwards, if somebody would say, what is the Maven? The answer should be Maven is a project building tool which can download the jar from the internet for your project. Oh my God. Magic. I don't know. After this, you'd be able to answer it or not. What about Gradle? Gradle is the project building tool similar to Maven, which can download the jar required for the project. Rogina, you'd be able to answer this question now?
Yeah.
Done. So when you send this project to anybody, right, no need to send the jar to him. Why? Because when you will import the project and right click on it and go to the Maven and update the project, the jar will be automatically downloaded on his machine as well. Oh my God. So tell me, if you're using Maven and Gradle, do you need to carry the jar with your project or it can be downloaded automatically on the machines wherever it's
Automatically.
needed? Oh, nice. Very good. Anybody have any question query, please? Reply.
No.
If you people get bored, let me know. Bijay and all. Lorenzo, people, tell me. If you got bored, let me know. Let me know. We can stop the session, okay? Because I don't want to make it boring.
No, you do good.
Okay. Let's go ahead. See, all these things you can learn when you do yourself. Now, I'm going to show you the program and want to show you the power of it. And you guys just follow my technique and give me 1 week. In 1 week, if you're not able to understand Spring, you can skip my sessions, okay? If somebody would say, Rogina, tell me what Spring is. Rogina, you will be able to answer his questions. Are you following me? Not in many lines, but 1 or 2 liner answer you can give to him. Clear?
Yes.
Rogina, I'm targeting to you only, okay?
Clear.
And I would be able to teach you in 1 week Spring. And you would say, I know a little bit of Spring. Yeah, I know definitions, right? No. Okay. Like here, I'm just making a program without Spring. Then I will make the same program with Spring. Be ready, okay? Do you know how to make a class file? This is the package name. Hmm. You people are not replying. You know this, right? Core Java. I don't know who teach you Core Java. Any guess? Yeah. So here you make the dog, and dog has name and private, right? Color and private integer tell. It's okay. This much you know. Yeah, you don't know how to make this class and all. After that, you can make getter and setter, right? If you
Mhm.
don't want to make getter and setter manually, you can use here Lombok. What? Lombok. What is Lombok? Lombok is a tool which works for the compiler, and it can generate the getter and setter. Hey Usha and Rojina, you tell me. If you don't want to write the getter and setter, which tool you can use? Lombok.
Lamba.
Anybody heard about the name of it?
No.
No, it's okay. I'll teach you, right? No issue, no issue. Let's make a getter and setter of it. It's okay. You got this much?
Yeah.
And if you allow to me, can I add the toString method? Yeah, toString method is a method which is implicitly called when you print the object reference. Hey guys, if you allow to me, that's fine. This is a dog, right? And I'm going to make a class. And Rojina, just be ready. I'll ask some questions, okay? Your first question should be, why are you asking every question to me, not anybody else? Hmm? No?
No.
Okay, cool. Here, I'm making an object of dog using new operator. Clear? So my first question to you is, who is making the dog object over here? Programmer. Yes or no? Who is making instance of dog here? Answer it, please.
Programmer.
Programmer. Very nice. Who is setting the value inside it? Like color is yellow. Have you seen any dog with yellow color?
No.
No. Very good. Yeah, you can say I have seen it once. Tail. Every dog has one tail. Everybody knows it. Done. Okay. So my question to you, Rosina, who is making the instance of dog here? Answer is programmer. Second thing is, who is setting the attribute of it? Answer it, please.
Dog.
No, no, no. You are saying dog to programmers. Who is setting the attributes of it? Rojina. Programmer, right?
Programmer.
Dog. Dog is not here, right? Hello. Who is creating the dog? Programmer. Who is setting the attribute of it? Dog
Program.
cannot set its own attribute. Yes or no? Tell me. Can we set can we set our attribute? Otherwise, everybody will be white, right? Nobody is black. Yes or no? Today you say, oh my God, I'm going to look yellow today. You can change the color. Do you think God has given this feature to you? No.
No.
Nobody can change the color. Okay. You can just only curse to God. Oh my God, why you make me this? Right? Just kidding. Excuse me, please. Okay. After that, I can call the toString method over here. So I have a couple of questions to you. Who is calling this toString method? Programmer, right? Even though if you're writing only D, toString method will be automatically called. You know it, Rojina. Got it? And run it. So this program is pretty much clear to you, or you have any confusion? Oh
Yeah.
my God, this is the simplest program. You would say, Nagin, you are wasting my time. What program you are showing to me? This is very simple program, and you know it. Done. So next thing is your answer should be Nagin. Can you make the same program with the help of Spring, please? Ready?
Mhm.
Yeah. If you want to make the same program with the help of Spring, then what benefit you will get? In Spring, everything is done by Spring container. Please mug it. What is it? In Spring, if I say who is doing this, your answer should be Spring container. Got it?
Yeah.
In Java, who does everything? JVM. You know it, right? Similarly, in Spring, who does? Spring container,
Container.
right? So now I want dog should be created by Spring container. I want all the attributes should be set by programmer or Spring container. Basically, you want to delegate object creation and settings attribute task to whom? Spring container. Rogina. Same program I'm going to do with Spring. This program in this program I'm using Spring. No.
No.
Let's do that. Allow me. If you want to make this program with the help of Spring, we have different approach of doing it, right? First of all, and last, I'm going to do with XML. Please help me. When I say help me, you can say, yeah, I'm helping you. Wait. So what you can do is here in SRC main resources, you have to make XML file. So XML file is nothing, a file with XML extension. So you know how to make the file? Yep. You go to the other and you can type what? File. People. What name you want to give, Rojina? Docs. You can give any name, right? Docs.xml. It's okay.
Okay.
And when you make the XML file, you should keep in SRC main resources as per the convention. But why is giving error? Okay. In this, actually, in XB XML file has PI, processing information, and that you can copy paste from the internet. No need to remember it. Okay. Please, if you're allowed to me, can I do copy paste?
Yes.
Yep. Let's do that. Please help me. I do not have anything in my pocket. I have to do everything by Googling it. Say yes. Yes. So see, you just this much you can copy paste the way I'm copying it, right? And just put it. We should not apply our brain. This is clear? Wow. Beans, beans, and copy paste, right? Done. You are not supposed to ask what is name space because I will teach you this separately, not right now. Okay. So this is called Spring meta configuration file. And what is the root element of Spring meta configuration file, Rogina? Beans, right? In beans, I want to say, hey, Spring container, can you make an object of dog for me, please? Rogina. Whatever we have over here, I want to do with Spring container. You have to use a bean tag. Which tag?
Bean.
Bean tag. And here you can give the ID. ID should be the name of the object. What name you want to give? DP, right? This name, Rojina. And you want to make the object of which class? You can give the fully qualified class name. You know fully qualified class name? Fully qualified class name means package name and class name. Rojina, this is clear or you got confused?
Clear.
So in Spring, bean, opening tag and closing tag. ID is the name of the object. Class is the class of which you want to make the object. Done. By writing this much instruction, Spring container will create what? An object of dog with DP name. Done. Now, if you want to set the property, Rojina, so what you can use here? See my style, control space bar. Property name. So you are saying, hey dog, your property name is what? Rojina. Property name is name. And you want to set the value to it. Any guess? My Tommy. Yeah, Mr. Tommy. It's okay. Hello, and close it. Rojina. Done. Similarly, you can set other attribute. What? Color. What color you want to give to this dog? White. Rojina, please come with me. Do you know what I'm doing? I'm
Yes.
doing the same thing, but it is done by Spring container. This is the syntax of it. It's clear to you?
Yes.
Bean, ID is the object of it, the class name, and property is the one of the child tag of it. And using it, I'm saying, hey dog, your name should be value, your color should be this, your tail should be this. This is clear? Whatever
Yes.
you have done with Java code, same thing I'm doing with XML based. I will show you with an annotation Java based configuration shown. Okay, done. If anybody have any question, let me know, please. Name of the file is fixed, Rojina. I can give any name to it. This one, Rojina. Can I give any name? Yeah, any name, right?
Yes.
So let me write a main method, but this main method is the without Spring. I want to write the main method with Spring style, Spring main. Please, the here, if you want to use Spring feature, Rojina, you have to first of all you have to create a Spring container. What? Create Spring container.
Container.
And you would say syntax. Don't remember it. What is it? Don't remember it. You are not supposed to. Please don't do that. Okay. Application context. Your question is why you remember them? Hmm? Hello. Your question should be why you remember XML class path. I forget it. Oh my God. I'm writing actually after a very long time. Class path. Rojina. This syntax. This will create a Spring container. You are supposed to remember? No. You are
No.
saying I'm creating a Spring container. Spring container is saying give me the configuration file. So you can give the name of it, Rojina here. So what it is doing, using this configuration file, we are creating a Spring container. Right side is the class and left side is the interface. Oh my God. So when this line will execute, what happened? There would be a bean will be created. There would be object will be created with the DP name. Say yes. Yeah. So if you don't understand, let me know. I can show you the picture representation of it. You can use a method get bean method. And here you can pass DP.
TP.
In this, when you write this line, this will create a Spring container and it will read this file and create a dog object. And dog object name is
TP.
DP. Open it. And what you can do is, I don't know, somebody taught you inheritance downcasting. You can use downcasting, right? Dog. Because get bin method return object class. So you can downcast it, right? Can you see this? Oh my God. Now I have again same question to you, Rojina. My first question to you is, in this program, who is creating the object of dog?
Programmer.
Who is setting all the attributes of it?
Programmer.
Nice. Same question. Let me ask with you. Who is making the instance of the dog here? Let me write it. Answer is Spring container.
Container.
Oh, nice. Oh, ho, ho. It's making our job easy, right? My next question to you is, who is answer to me, please. Who is setting the attribute of it? Oh my God. You tell
Container.
me, it's become easy, right? But this is small program. But if you make the complex program, you will see the more benefit of it soon. So if you run the program, I'll see the output, right? Similar output. Can you see this? Wow. Rojina, you got any difference between this program and that program? You say, oh my God, Spring is basically helping me to create the object of it and setting the attribute of it. Oh my God. If somebody would say what Spring is, your answer should be Spring is a framework which helps you to create the objects and manage dependency. That's it. Oh my God. So if you use Spring container, right? Spring project, do you need to make the object of the services? No, 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 no. Who's going to take care of it? Rojina. I'm saying in your project, if you want to make the objects, right? So who will take care of it? Spring container. Please reply.
Spring container.
Yeah, Spring will container will make the object as per the configuration. Done? Yeah. Hello. This code is clear to you a little bit?
Yes.
Here in this line, right? If you see this line, I can make the picture representation of it. Let's do that. So basically here Spring container is going to make the object of it, right? In this program, my question, Rojina, to you is who is making the object of dog?
Programmer.
No, 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 no. In this program,
Oh, container.
Spring container, right? And whatever object is managed by, if I'm saying it is created by Spring container, means this object is managed by whom? Spring container, right?
Spring container.
So object managed by Spring container is known with the special name, Rojina. Whatever object you create with the Spring container is known as bean. Oh my God. Can I say DP is a bean over here?
Yes.
So what is a bean, Rojina? Your answer is again, you know, don't know bean? Any object which is managed by Spring container, instantiated by Spring container. So manage includes many things. Manage means it is instantiating it, initializing it, destroying it, everything, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if any object is managed by Spring container, then that object is known as
Bean.
bean. Can I say
Yes.
object managed? If anybody would say what is the bean, what do you say? Object managed by
The
Spring
Spring container.
container. Your question is why I'm saying managed by, why I'm not saying created by, because managed include object creation, its initialization, and its destroy. Everything is comes under managed. Object managed by Spring container is known as, please help me, bean.
Bean.
I hope you understand the definition of the bean. So when your object is managed by Spring container, you would say it is object or bean, which is the appropriate terminology for it.
Bean.
Bean. Very good. Very good. Okay. I'm just looking for a dog. Give me a second. Don't worry, dog will not do anything. Here. I'm talking about the virtual dog. Hey, you guys can say one thing. Again, you haven't done anything. You are just doing copy paste. Okay. Is it right or not?
That's right.
It's right. It's right. I'm not doing great job. All this thing I'm just doing because of you people. You are helping me, right? Once you stop to help me, I cannot do it. Simple as that. Yes or no? Yes, that's true. That's more true. So I just want to take this picture because I want to make it something practically. So this is dog. C. E. Rogina. When this line will execute, right? So this Spring container will go to this file, right? Oh, dog is created. Got a point? Yep. And what you are saying here, Rogina, you are saying, hey, Mr. Dog, can you come outside the container, please? You see this? I hope you got the flow. Yeah. When you say DP, this dog reference you are getting over here, Rogina. Done. So tell me, Spring container is making your job easy or not?
Yes.
So if somebody would say, what is a Spring container? Your answer should be, Spring is a framework which is used for desktop application and enterprise application both, which basically makes the object which we need in the projects. Oh my God, that's it. And tomorrow we'll talk more on top of it. So Spring is a framework which helps us to create the object required for the project. Rojina, is it right? So
Yes.
can you repeat the same thing? What is the Spring framework? It is a framework which helps us to make the
To
object
make the object.
required for the
The
project. It does not make the object only. It also used to initialize the object, manage its dependency and life cycle. So Spring container, what does? Let me write it. Your answer should be, it's create objects. It's create object, right? Second, manage its dependency. Dependency means one object may have dependency on other object or not. You are not saying anything. Yes, we have dependency on food or not? Tell me. Do you know what is the food? FOOD.
Yes.
Yeah. So we have dependency on food or not? Food is an object or not? Tell me. Food is an example of object. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have dependency on food, right? So it create objects. I would say it creates objects, right? Manage its dependency and life cycle also. Life cycle means when it is created and when it is going to destroy, right? So Spring container what does?
It creates an object and manages
Manage its
it.
dependency life cycle. Oh my God. So if object is created by a Spring container, I should say object or bean? Bean, right? So it creates bean. Instead of object, we can write. It creates
Bean.
beans. That's correct. Done. So if somebody would say what is Spring? Spring is answer. Spring is a framework which creates objects for your project, manages dependency and lifecycle. Done. What is the Maven? Maven is a project building tool which can download required jar for your projects. Maven is a project building tool which can download required jar for the project. Is it correct?
Yes.
So guys, I think this is enough for today, and I want you should go and watch this recording 10 times and ensure the way I'm talking about right now in the same way you can talk tomorrow. Thank you so much. In next session,
Uh,
we'll learn next thing. Thank you so much. Bye.